All these tips, hints, and tricks are designed to get you thinking about, how you design an email. I do not believe that email design should be complicated. I do not believe that you should have pictures embedded in it and boxes behind it. Any email that you get that has a template behind it is a business email. If you're addressing an audience like me or anybody else in this room and you waste the time building that template, I will never open that email, I promise you. I don't know who else will, I'm not speaking for everybody else, but it's instantly, this is a sales email. If you give them a Dead Sea Scroll, they will not get to the CTA. Paragraph after paragraph after paragraph is not in our concept of viewing emails. When I look at people who viewed emails, most of the time it's going to be 2 to 8 seconds that they look at an email. Very rarely do I see a disproportionate amount of people that look at an email for more than 8 seconds. There are some people that do it. I'm not going to say it's zero, but that plus 8 seconds, if you think about how far you can read in 8 seconds, it's not that far. So wasting your time building out a huge complicated email is silly. You got to figure out a concise message to send in 3 sentences each.